What's up guys? I'm going to show you how to make a rail out of stuff that you'd find at any Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever hardware store there is in your area. All you're going to need to do to make this rail is to grab a cabinet handle. This is the longest one that I could find. It seems to be just over a foot, but obviously it can be as big or small as you want it to be. The next thing you're going to need are these washers to sit at the foot of the rail. You're going to need two sizes, 2 of the small kind and then 4 of the big kind. And then you're gonna need these little tiny screws to fit into the bottom of the handle, just like that. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our small washers, our screws, our big washers, and our rail. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the small washers using these screws. So that's gonna be just like this. You can just tighten it by hand, you don't need a screwdriver. So you can see now that we've got these on here, it sits upright, but it wobbles because the screw is sticking out of the bottom. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 of these big washers together and put it underneath so that the bump on the bottom of the screw can kind of sit in that hole right there. So we're gonna take our super glue and we're just gonna put it all around, just like that. Perfect. And then we're gonna do it on the other side as well. And you do kind of want to be careful to not get the glue on your hands. And like a rookie, I just got it all over my fingers. Okay, so at this point, I've given these about a minute to dry. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put glue on this guy right here and just all around like that. Okay, so we've got our bases on. Like that, and we're gonna wait about 60 seconds for it to dry, and then we'll flip it over and then let it dry for another minute on the other side. Okay, so we've given that about a minute, so we're gonna flip it over and then stick it on the ground just like that. We finished our rail. It took about 5 minutes to put everything together. The handle only cost around 12 bucks. The washers cost around 23 cents each. So all in all, with tax, you're looking under $15. So now that we've got this thing built, let's get some tricks on it. Alright guys, I hope that was helpful for you. Super quick, super easy to do. Head to the hardware store, grab you some pieces, and put it together. If you saw the video where I made the Machba ledge, I talked about how it slid around because it was too light. I had a similar problem with this rail. I gotta think there's something rubber that I can glue onto the bottom that will help it to stay in place. If you can think of anything that would work well for that, leave in the comments below. And also let me know what kind of stuff you want me to build in the future and what questions you have. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If this is helpful for you, consider subscribing. Each week I'm gonna come out with a different fingerboard video, so subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, if you haven't checked out my other videos, right here is a video of a cardboard skate park that I made. I'm gonna be making another one soon, so stay tuned. Leave a like if this video is helpful for you. We'll talk to you later.